Hello, in front of me I have POLAR Vantage V, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. First, we need to open the shortcut menu, and you can do it by swiping down from the top of the screen. Like this. Once you open the shortcut menu, you can swipe left and right to scroll through this menu, select the alarm icon, and tap on it. Oh, I was too slow, so let's tap on the icon, and here we can set up the alarm clock. We have options like off. If you select this option, the alarm clock will be turned off. If you select once, it's gonna ring only once. If you select from Monday to Friday, it's gonna ring on weekdays. And if you select every day, it's gonna ring on every day. Select the option you like. And here we can set the time for the alarm. We can change the AM and PM. Set the hours by swiping up and down, minutes. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And now we have the alarm set to 11:05 p.m. Also, if the alarm is active, you will see this icon right here at the top of the screen. And to disable the alarm, simply tap on the alarm icon and select off, like this. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.